Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your fitness goals with MyFitnessPal, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the MyFitnessPal app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create your free account by entering your email and setting up a password. Once your account is set up, you will be prompted to input your personal information. Provide details such as your age, height, weight, and activity level to help personalize your experience. Next, set your fitness goals by choosing whether you want to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain your current weight. Based on your goals, MyFitnessPal will calculate your daily caloric needs. Now, familiarize yourself with the app's dashboard, which displays your daily calorie intake and remaining calories for the day. To log your meals, tap on the diary section located in the menu. You can add food by searching the database or scanning barcodes for convenience. When adding food, ensure you select the correct serving size for accurate tracking. Stay on top of your water intake by logging your water consumption in the diary section as well. Regularly update your exercise in the app by tapping on the exercise section. You can manually enter workouts or select from the extensive exercise database. Consider connecting your MyFitnessPal account to fitness devices or apps for seamless tracking. The app can integrate with various devices like Fitbit, Apple Watch, and more to consolidate your fitness data. Review your progress regularly by checking the Progress tab to see trends in your weight and nutrition. Make use of the Goals section to adjust your calorie and macronutrient goals as needed. Utilize the community features to connect with friends or join groups for additional motivation. Stay consistent by setting daily reminders to log your meals and workouts. Regularly reflect on your nutrition and exercise data to make informed adjustments to your routine. Finally, celebrate your milestones and progress to maintain motivation on your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.